Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial, I will talk about width and height property. And also I will show you how to increase and decrease height and width of HTML element. If you watch this video till the end, then you will be able to display HTML elements in different size like this. As you can see, first paragraph element is smaller than second paragraph element. That is because I intentionally set width and height of second paragraph element higher than first paragraph element. So let us practically see how can we display HTML elements in different size. But before starting, let me clear the confusion that when we create HTML elements, web browser treats it as if it were in box. And by default, the box size is as big as the content of HTML element. In fact, to set our own dimension to a box, we can use width and height property. So we can say that width and height property is used for setting custom dimension to HTML elements. Now let us practically see how can we increase and decrease the size of HTML elements by using width and height property. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to Now let us create two paragraph element and assign ID to each one of paragraph. Now let us save the file and see we could create paragraph element or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, we could create two small paragraph. Now by using CSS, let us change color and background color of this paragraph element. To use CSS, we need to go to his section and use style tag. Now let us select paragraph by tag name. Let us change color of paragraph to white. Let us change background color to red. Now let us save the file and see how web browser displays these two paragraphs. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, web browser changed the text color of both paragraph and also it changed background color of both paragraph. Now by using width and height property, let us increase the height of second paragraph and decrease the width of second paragraph. So let us select second paragraph by its ID. The ID of second paragraph is P2. Type opening and closing curly braces. Now let us reduce the width of second paragraph element to 200 pixel. Now let us increase the height of second paragraph element to 50 pixel. Now let us save the file and see how web browser displays second paragraph. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, by using width and height property, we could reduce the width of second paragraph element and also we could increase the height of second paragraph element. Okay guys, this was the way of using width and height property. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button, and if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.